guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Deborah. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and join the family. So today's video is going to be about my top classic perfumes. If you're a fan of oud, guys, please do check out my video on my top oud perfumes. The link to the video is in the description box below, so please do check it out. So guys, I didn't build my perfume collection overnight. It was obviously built over a period of time. So back in 2016, I placed all my perfumes by my window, and literally the sun reacted with my perfumes and literally they were all just destroyed. So they all changed color and the scents didn't smell the same anymore. So I literally just had to chuck it all away. That was something that was really painful to me, but hey ho, you win some, you lose some. So I had to start all over again. I had to, you know, gradually buy my perfumes in stages. So most times when I do buy perfumes, I buy perfumes at duty free when I'm traveling. I normally buy them for my birthday. So one thing about me is that I love perfumes. I love to smell expensive, rich, luxurious, classy, you know, all of that, all of that, all of that. When you enter a room, you make a statement just by your scent, just by your smell. Like, they smell, you know that, they know, yeah, I've arrived.
I have arrived.
That is literally it. So I'm just going to run through my collection in no particular order. So guys, this is the Lancome La Belle, and this is literally one of my classics. If I want a very sweet, sort of fruity sort of smell, this is what I'd opt for. I'd wear this normally during the daytime, so I'd recommend it as a daytime wear. So this is the 75ml bottle. I think they do come in smaller sizes as well. So guys, this is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, and this is a must-have in every female's collection. This is the 100ml, and I'd highly recommend it. It's long lasting and it's just that unique, distinctive smell. It gives a classy boss scent. I was first introduced to this perfume when I was 12 years old, and this was like my first expensive classy perfume, and it was gifted to me by my dad. And ever since then, it has been in my perfume collection. Just spraying it. Oh. So guys, here we have the Dolce Gabanna The One. It's got a very warm, ambery sort of vanilla scent to it, and I just like it as a daytime, everyday perfume. If you're looking for some sort of like subtle but classy, warm, ambery vanilla sort of scent, then I definitely recommend Dolce Gabanna The One. So next one is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. This is a floral sort of sweet scent, and I definitely recommend it as a daytime wear. I love to wear this perfume when I go on holiday. It's very soft, it's a very nice scent, it's very feminine. Next we have the Amouage. So this is the Amouage Lilac Love, and it is on the pricey side, guys. It is quite expensive. I think it's about £285. So it smells like a floral sort of cocoa powdery sort of scent dusted with like lilacs. It's not that sort of scent that fills a room, but it's that sort of scent that people around you will be able to smell you. If you want a bit of Amouage Lilac Love in your life, then purchase this. So guys, this is the Cartier La Panthere, and I bought this bottle just because I liked like how the bottle looked. So it's a feminine scent, and it gives off the vibes of like a classy, independent woman sort of vibe. For me, it's more of a daytime wear, and it has like notes of like rhubarb, patchouli, and a musky sort of scent. Get yourself some Cartier. So guys, this is the Gucci Bloom. Don't know if you can see it, but it's the Gucci Bloom, and it's a very strong floral feminine scent. I'd recommend it on holiday to like a nice sunny destination. So yes, if you want to smell very floral, flowery, then Gucci Bloom is your answer. So guys, here is another Gucci perfume, and this is the Gucci Flora, and this is the 75ml. Guys, this scent is a mixture of floral and sandalwood. If you're after a floral scent with notes of sandalwood in it, then yes, I'd highly recommend this. I'd also recommend it as a nighttime wear. It's a very strong floral scent. If you want to smell nice, strong floral scent on a night out, then this is your go-to perfume. So guys, this is the Jimmy Choo Flash. I don't know if you can see it. and this is the 60ml bottle. This is an affordable perfume. I think it's about £30, and I wear it as my daily daytime wear, and it's a fruity sort of sweet floral scent, and its sillage is very strong as well, so definitely recommend this. So guys, this is the Giorgio Armani C, and this is the Eau de Toilette in the 50ml. This is a very light perfume, and I'd highly recommend it just for a daytime wear. It's a nice daytime everyday perfume to work or uni. So guys, this is the Roberto Cavalli, and it's like a warm vanilla umbre sort of scent. The scent is very distinctive and mesmerizing, and that's literally what drew it to me. And I found out about this perfume from a lady literally just walking past me, and I just smelt her, and she smelled so nice. I actually went up to her, you know, I ran up to her and I was like, sorry, what perfume are you wearing? And she was like, oh, Roberto Cavalli. And what did I go and do? I went to the fragrance shop the next day and I went to get myself some Roberto Cavalli. It's an addictive scent as well. I remember when I first bought it, I just couldn't stop spraying myself with it. If you're looking for like a warm umbre sort of scent, then yeah, I definitely recommend this. So last but not least is the Rosé Gourmand from Zara. Guys, you can see it's like literally almost finished. I use this every day. When I went to Turkey, my sister spotted it and she was like, oh, this smells so nice. It was actually cheaper in Turkey as well, so I think I bought it for about £12. I even at times use it when I go to bed. I like to spray myself with perfume. I know it might be a bit weird, but when I shower before I go to bed, I spray myself with perfume. Guys, please let me know in the comments if you guys do that as well, so I feel like I'm not on my own. It is on the Zara website. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments your favorite perfumes or what sort of perfumes you like. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I've got so much more content coming out, guys, so thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So bye for now.